In this video, I'll show you how to buy Solana on Binance. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first thing you need to do is open up and log into your Binance account. If you don't have a Binance account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will get you up to $100 in free trading rebates. In this video, I'm actually going to show you two ways on how to buy Solana on Binance. The first way is the easiest. The first thing you're going to do is just go right over here and tap on add funds or deposit. From here, we're going to select buy with euro or whatever your local currency is. First thing we're going to do is go right over here and tap on this arrow. And from this list, we're going to select your local currency. If you don't see it on the list, you can simply search for it in the search bar. For example, if I want to use euro, type euro and tap on euro right there. Next thing we're going to do is go right down here to the buy section and we're going to select Solana out of this list. If you don't see Solana in the list, you simply search for it up here in the search bar. Type on Sol and tap on it. You can enter manually the amount of euro that you want to spend on Sol, or you can select one of the options down below. Next, we're going to select our payment option by tapping on this arrow. This is going to give you a bunch of different payment options that you can use. Select whatever one you're more comfortable with and tap on confirm. If you select the Visa and MasterCard option, you're going to have to add in a new card if you haven't done so already. You simply fill out this form and tap on confirm, and you confirm the transaction on the next page. And that's the easiest, but also the most expensive way to buy Solana on Binance. The other option to buy Solana on Binance is if you already have another crypto asset in your wallet, such as USD or USDT, you can simply convert that into Solana. You can check the assets you have in your wallet by simply going down here to the bottom right-hand corner, tapping on the wallet icon, and this is going to bring up all of the assets you have in your wallet. After that, just return to home, and we're going to go right up here to the top left-hand corner and tap on the Binance icon, tap on more services. We're going to scroll down until we see the trade section, and tap on convert. And once you're on this page, we're going to go to the from section, and we're going to convert whatever asset we want to convert into Solana. For this example, I'll use USDC. On the to section, we're going to tap on the arrow and look for Solana. Enter the amount of USDC that you want to convert into Solana. For example, if I want to convert 25 USDC into Solana, this is how much it'll give me. Tap on preview and just tap down here to confirm your transaction. And that's how to buy Solana on Binance. If you found this video helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel.